You built a shelf last weekend. It wobbles a little, one screw is crooked, and you love it more than furniture from any store. Why? Psychologists call this the IKEA Effect. The name comes from the furniture store, but the effect shows up everywhere. In 2011, researcher Michael Norton ran a simple test. He gave people identical boxes to assemble. Then he asked them to bid on their own creation versus a pre-built one. People paid more for the one they built themselves, even when it looked worse. Your brain does something strange when you put in effort. It doesn't just remember the product, it remembers the struggle, and it decides the struggle must mean the result is valuable. Think about it. A cake mix that only needs water sells worse than one that needs you to add an egg. Researchers at Harvard found this back in the 1950s, when Betty Crocker's instant cake mix flopped. Customers didn't trust something that easy, so the company changed the recipe. Just add an egg. Sales jumped. Effort became proof of worth. This isn't really about furniture or cake. It's about ownership. When you struggle to build something, a part of you gets stitched into it. Your labor becomes your identity. That's why the wobbly shelf feels priceless, and why the pre-built one feels forgettable. So next time you catch yourself defending something you made, even when it's flawed, remember this. You're not lying to yourself. You're just human. Your brain doesn't reward perfection. It rewards effort. That shelf still wobbles, but now you know why you'd never sell it.